We carry more devices and essentials than ever. And your phone is already running low. A normal bag can carry your things, but it cannot power them. Commuting, travel, and outdoor breaks all need power on the go. Meet the 2-in-1 solar charging bag. It is not just a charger. It is your everyday carry bag. Pack your essentials and keep them easy to access. Pack it and go. Front and back design gives you more flexible sunlight exposure. Connect your phone and keep charging while you move. No complicated setup, just connect and charge. Even during an outdoor break, your devices can keep charging. The front solar panel helps capture sunlight outdoors. One bag supports breaks, shooting, and daily communication. Keep your phone inside the bag and charge while walking. Details matter for everyday use. Wear it and go. No extra gear feeling. Splash-resistant fabric helps handle light rain and everyday splashes. Flexible carrying for different daily and outdoor needs. Built for short trips, commuting, camping, and everyday movement. When you need your gear, it is easy to reach. Carry your power everywhere.